If your day-to-day activities comprises of doing the same thing over and over again, Python can help you automate that process rather than doing the same thing day in, day out. You could write script that can help you automate those things. If you see yourself doing things over and over again, just think about automating that process, because Python is efficient when it comes to automation. Python can also help you in monitoring stocks. So if you deal with stocks, shares and everything, Python can help you monitor your stock market. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data sciences, machine learning, artificial intelligence and other technological advancements. In my previous video, we started with the application of Python. What are those things you could do with Python? And I also have a playlist where I walk you through your path to becoming a data scientist, and we've been talking about intro to Python, introduction to Python and programming. So in this video, I'll be continuing from where I stopped in the last video. We've talked about the applications for Python. So we've talked about Python for data analysis, we talked about Python for data visualization, we talked about Python for machine learning and artificial intelligence. The fourth application is for software development. Aside data science, Python for data sciences and the rest of it, you could also use Python for software development. And Python can be used at every stage of software development, including build control, automated compilation, prototyping, bug testing and software maintenance. So Python can be used. So if you're interested in going into Python development, developing software basically, then Python is definitely for you. So you need to learn Python. The fifth application of Python is web development. When you talk about web development, we talk about the front end and the back end. The front end is the part accessible, the part of the website that is accessible for users, where you can easily interact, while the back end are those parts that are not really accessible. You don't know what's happening there. So for front end, for example, you use things like HTML, CSS or Java. But for back end, a lot of programmers opt for Python with inbuilt models where you could access data from databases or servers. You transform or manipulate this data for content sharing, also for website security. So if you're thinking of going into web development, definitely you need Python. I'm good to say that a lot of websites are built using Python, like Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. They're all built of Python. And the sixth application of Python is for automation and scripting. If your day-to-day activities comprises of doing the same thing over and over again, Python can help you automate that process rather than doing the same thing day in, day out. You could write script that can help you automate those things. You can even go into your folders, for example, move things from somewhere to somewhere, rename files, delete files, crop files, a lot of things, like whatever. If you can imagine anything, Python can actually do that for you when it involves computer or anything. So if you see yourself doing things over and over again, just think about automating that process, because Python is efficient when it comes to automation. Even if it means accessing websites and servers, Python can help you with those automation. And finally, there are lots of things that Python can do for you. I can't really say a lot of that. One thing I would like to mention is web scraping, where, for example, you need to download information from a website. You can write script to access that website and download those information. So if, for example, your job entails going online, downloading things maybe daily, rather than doing that daily, you can write script that can help you do those download things. Or for example, you are working with data, you need to download lots of data or large data from maybe different parts of your website, rather than going to these individual sites to download data. Why not just write it? And it's called web scraping. Helps you gather information from a particular website. So if you're looking for some keywords from certain website, just give it a list of keywords and Python can help you pick out those information, download data from different websites. And Python can also help you in monitoring stocks. So if you deal with stocks, shares and everything, Python can help you monitor the stock market. That's not amazing? So that's all. I'll be talking about application of Python. So there are a lot of things you can do with Python, and I can't exhaust everything in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to know what you think about whatever I've said. Have I missed out any application of Python? Put that in the comment section. Do you have any routine tasks you normally do, or repetitive tasks that you think can be automated? I'd like to hear your comments in the comment section. I'll be there to listen to you basically, and if you have any idea of videos I should make, also put that in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be talking about the job roles, or what are those roles where you can apply Python. Basically, I've talked about different applications. Now we'll talk about what are those job roles where that Python is very important for you to use. So sit back and watch out for my next video. See you on the next one.